What's the deal? You already know what it is. Back in this one, another video to pump out to my young boys. Maybe girls, but not today. Today I want to get on here real quick and just talk about pouring into yourself and just the importance of like self-care. I came from a background of battling a lot of different things, such as corn addiction, torn off the yarn. I come from a background of, marijuana addiction, couldn't put the trees down, kept on blowing every day, multiple blunts a day. I was on all of that. And all of those things was just things that overall just kept me at a lower frequency. And today I just want to come on here and just talk about the importance of not only, putting these things down, but also like a good way to do those things. I just watched a deer go across the street, but a good way to do these things if you are somebody that's battling with a lot of this stuff. One thing that's helped me a lot when it comes to putting down weed, putting down corn, is pretty much just pouring into myself and replacing that dopamine, because that's the name of the game. It's all about dopamine. A lot of the times people get my space filled up, but like I was saying, I'm gonna try to make this quick, but dopamine is the name of the game. A lot of these people out here are dopamine addicts. A lot of the things that it is that we chase is dopamine related. When it comes to corn, you're destroying your dopamine receptors. When it comes to weed, that stuff is killing your dopamine because it's basically all of these things is putting you at a state of accomplishment. And at the end of the day, you really didn't achieve anything. So these things kill your dopamine receptors, and they're detrimental to your testosterone. This is for the men. Our testosterone is very important. It's what allows our moods to fluctuate at normal rates. It's what gets us going. It gives us motivation, determination. It's basically what makes us men. And you don't want to destroy your testosterone by, drinking alcohol every day, smoking weed, beating off. All of these things kill your stuff. In order to, what I would say, to supplement the chronic dopamine abuse that a lot of people do to themselves, change those bad habits out, and instead of getting these big dopamine spikes, replace these things with little dopamine things, things like self-care, right? You can start a skincare routine. You see the boy glowing. I started a skincare routine. I started grooming better, so, with my beard and everything like that. About to start the wave journey, just little things. I've been getting in the gym. Just these are type of things that you can do to supplement the small dopamine, and supplement the big dopamine spikes, and you can get little gradual earned dopamine, things that's actually going to improve your life too. At that, it's going to improve your quality of life, make you feel better, make you, again, boost your testosterone, because you can walk around with confidence. You can walk around sure of yourself, and you just overall feel good, instead of the inverse, smoking weed. Some people get paranoid when they smoke. That was personally my case. It would have me just doing too much, and just not confident in anything I was doing. And when it comes to the yarn, that speaks for itself. Like, a lot of y'all already know what it's like to sit up there, beat off, and then you got to go out in the daily world, and you just got this dark shadow over you. You just got this dark cloud around you, and we don't want that. So the name of the game, for real, supplement the dopamine that you used to getting, those big dopamine spikes. Supplement it with stuff that's gonna be beneficial to you. Supplement it with things that's gonna be good for your health. And I might put up a video of myself now, and compare it to when I was doing these things, was still battling porn addiction, was still smoking weed. It's a different type of vibe.
This is crazy. So when I go live, it just okay, fixed. Forget it. What's the deal? You already know what it is. Back in this one, another video to pump out to my young boys. Dang, we got some. Hold on. What's going on with y'all boys? This a late night stream. I've been seeing New Breed and Ringo react to. Shout out to those guys. I've been seeing them react to this video.
And if you've been watching me, you know. And these things speak for itself. I'm bringing this up because, I could be a living testimony of this. Once you put these things down, you will see your life elevated in a lot of different ways. So again, supplement the dopamine habits where you getting all these big spikes, supplement it with little stuff that you can gradually see over time progress, like hitting the gym, like, clearing your skin, different things like that, different grooming things. But that's the video for today. I just wanted to get on here real quick and give you all that, that information. I'm out of breath, but that's the video. Let y'all take care, stay safe. I'm on y'all boys.
One more treat, bitch, I'm gone. One more hit, bitch, I'm gone. Brand new whip, bitch, I'm gone. Brand new crib, yeah, I'm home. Bitch, we home, yeah, we grown. One more treat, bitch, I'm gone. One more hit, bitch, I'm gone. One more hit, yeah, we gone.